and welcome back to another vlog from Zikar. Today is a Sunday and I'm on the way to go have lunch with my friends. So I'm going to take you guys along and yeah, it's been a while since I've actually been out. I think the last week it was all like festivals and all of that and I couldn't like physically be outside the house. But anyways, let's go. I'll meet you guys when we're there for lunch. Also, when Akshita's coming, I'm definitely gonna pick her up. So, I'll meet you then.
I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better